Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some ginger turmeric immunity shots, homemade immunity shots, and I'm actually going to be adding apple cider vinegar. What kind of prompted me to do this is Tino is doing a bodybuilding competition, and he is kind of to the point where he's taking a shot of apple cider vinegar every single morning. He takes like 2 tablespoons, he told me, of just apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning, wakes up, takes a shot. Just seeing him every day in just pure anguish after he takes the shot, it made me kind of want to make a better tasting shot for him. Not necessarily for him, but for both of us, because I want to start taking these too. Because it's summertime, I want to have, you know, that immunity boost. You know, starting the day off with an immunity shot, it just makes you feel good, you know? Ginger and turmeric, they are both anti-inflammatory. They have tons of antioxidants. They help produce the natural digestive enzymes in your body to kind of help boost your metabolism. Vitamin C in lemons and pineapple obviously helps boost your immune system. And apple cider vinegar, it's good for your hair, it's good for your skin. It's also known to help balance out your blood sugar levels. So that can help reduce cravings. It can help you feel more full as well. So you're supposed to take this shot first thing in the morning. Anyway, we're gonna try making it today. We're gonna see how it goes. So I've got the fresh ginger just peeled, and I'm gonna chop it up into little pieces because I'm pretty much just gonna throw everything into this blender, blend it up, and then strain it. That is what I've seen other people do, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not really measuring it. This is probably 1/3 of a cup of ginger, a fresh ginger. These are gonna be very strong. They're gonna be spicy. Next, I'm gonna add in the pineapple. This was just frozen pineapple that I defrosted, but you can use fresh pineapple as well. Fresh pineapple will probably be a little bit better, but I didn't have a fresh pineapple, and I didn't want to go out and buy one because right now they're like $9 for 1 pineapple, and I'm just, you know, the frozen pineapple was like $4 for the bag, so. And this is about 1.5 cups of pineapple. So for the turmeric, you're supposed to use around 1/2 teaspoon per shot. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how many shots this is gonna make. We're gonna see at the end, but I'm going to put in a tablespoon of turmeric because there's about 3 teaspoons per tablespoon, so that's about 6 shots, right? Math. If there's a little bit less per shot, then that's how it is, but I'm just gonna keep it simple and put in 1 tablespoon. Okay. Tablespoon of turmeric. Whenever we use turmeric, we have to use black pepper. There is something about the black pepper that helps to activate the turmeric. You also should be using fresh turmeric. I didn't have the fresh turmeric, so I'm just gonna use the powdered one. But I'm just gonna put in about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. You really don't need that much. Apparently just a little bit will help. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna do the lemons. I'm just gonna use 3 lemons. I might use 4. I'm gonna see how much juice this makes, and then I'll put it in there. It was kind of hard to find recipes that had exact measurements, and especially since I'm gonna be adding apple cider vinegar to this, I feel like it's just gonna be really gross either way, so whatever, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna put a strainer on top so I don't get seeds in there. Is it gonna fall? Ooh, it's gonna fall. Ooh, okay, wait, plan B. Hang on, I can figure this out. Okay, there we go. If you have a juicer, even better. I don't have a juicer, so we're just. I should buy a juicer if I'm gonna be doing this regularly. Not a juicer, well, kind of a juicer, like one of those old-fashioned lemon juicers where you put the 1/2 lemon in and then you squish it down. What do you call those? A juicer, right? When I think of a juicer, I think of like the electric one. Machine that just blends up all the fruit, and then, anyway. The 3 lemons, made about, I want to say 2/3 of a cup of lemon juice. They made a good amount of lemon juice. Looks pretty good so far, actually. I'm gonna add a little bit of sweetness. You can either add honey or I have got monk fruit. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the monk fruit. The monk fruit is sugar-free. Just gonna add a little bit of that. Just to give it a little bit of sweetness. Also add about a cup of water. I'm gonna blend it up. This looks so good. Look at the color. It smells amazing. Whew. Okay, so I have to strain this. I'm going to use this strainer again, and I'm going to balance it, like so. Ta-da! Okay. This would obviously work a lot better if I had a cheesecloth, but I don't. So this is gonna take a little while and I'm gonna speed this up a bit. So this is all the pulp and stuff from the ginger and the pineapple. I'm just gonna throw that out. My plan is to put apple cider vinegar in these first so that there's a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Did he say 2 tablespoons? I need to double check. One sec. So excited for these, yet genuinely afraid. Only because of the amount of apple cider vinegar you have to put in them. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in each shot, apparently. It smells like vinegar. Okay, I'm kind of nervous. I could never be a bartender. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test. It smells pretty good. And let me just give it a little shake. This is definitely more than a shot, but I think this is about as much as you get in one of those little, ones you buy at the store. It doesn't smell bad. Should I just take a shot or just? Okay. That is not bad at all. Delicious. This is actually, it's spicy. It's spicy because of the ginger. But apple cider vinegar, 100%. Try these. Whew. Done. Amazing.